Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava and you will click. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Strava. Here you will uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.